Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm actually camping at a campground tonight. This place is called San Jose de los Llanos in the north of Tenerife, and I've actually got a license to stay here tonight. This is actually a very busy area. There's hundreds of people just down there, but what I've done is come right up, probably just outside the official campground, and set up here. Hopefully I'm allowed here, or hopefully that I just don't get caught here. But I haven't seen anyone pass up here, so it's better. But you can probably hear some people in the distance. I drove up here with the two dogs, Evie and Mosey. Come here then, Mosey, for the camera. Mosey. And all this gear on my motor. Everything fit in my motor, pretty nice. I bought the tarp for some shade because it's pretty hot today. And I've bought the naturehike Star River 2 tent because Betty's going to come join me today after work. And later on, taking some inspiration from Squib from the Stealth Camping Alliance, I'm going to try and make a Philly cheesesteak sandwich with some Wagyu beef. Time to enjoy, like the follow your nose Canadian beaver said, the beverage of the hour. Alagula. Beer with no filter. Cheers. Just Betty's got sat when she gets here now. But soon we're going to start on the Philly cheesesteak. See how that goes. I've already told my brother about it and he's not happy. He's not happy what I'm doing with a Wagyu steak, but that's the life. You've got to break a few eggs to make an omelette. This is my meat. The reason why it's time to reveal now, it's a bit early for dinner, is because it says here you must take it out at least 1 hour before serving and let it come up to room temperature. So this actually was very expensive. If I knew it was so expensive I wouldn't have bought it, but let me tell you what happened. So I've always heard of Wagyu, like it's famous, super amazing beef, but I've never tried it. So I was in the supermarket and I seen Wagyu beef. I was like, wow, Wagyu beef. I know what, that'll be good to make a Philly cheesesteak with when I go camping tomorrow. So okay, I'm going to get that. So it was Saturday afternoon, very busy in the supermarket, and I went and stood in line, waited about 10 minutes or something. The lady's buzzing my stuff through the till, boop, 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 and she buzzed this through, and she says, "Sir, is that 45 euros? I said, I don't know. No, I don't think so. So what happened then was she had to phone the manager to check that the price of this was correct. After waiting 10-15 minutes, the manager comes and says, yeah, that's the correct price. By then there's already a queue of like 15 people waiting at this checkout, and I felt it'd be bad if I said, no, I don't want it anymore, so I took it. So yeah, I paid 45 euros, which is this many dollars, for this piece of meat. It's 350 grams. And I'm going to make a Philly cheesesteak sandwich with it. Because of Squib. Squib's fault. So we'll let that cook up for a bit. I'm going to show you the cheese we got. We got this cheese. It's spicy cheese or hamburguesas sin conservantes. Okay, I think they're getting nice and caramelised. Now we put in some beef. Look at that. We need to add the cheese for the Philly cheesesteak. Is that a Philly cheesesteak? What do you think? Looks pretty good to me. It's one half. I'm going to eat this half first. See how that is. Just with nothing on it. Here we go. Wow. Wow, that's really nice. Nice one, Squib. It's a good sandwich you come up with. That half was good, but this next half is going to be better. And we're going to put this. Ooh, look at that. And then my secret ingredient, a little bit of mustard. Ooh, just a little bit, like that. Loves a bit of mustard, like that. Just a smidge. Couple pieces of tomato. Bit of tomato. What do you think? Does this look good, Evie? So yeah, that's it. That's my version of the Philly cheesesteak. Let's give this a go. So we got cheese, we got tomato, chili cheese, we got Wagyu steak, we got a little bit of mustard, and the onion. Wow, that is delicious. Look at that. Not bad at all. And the good thing is, I've still got that much beef left. Now time to pack up. Wait for Betty to arrive. Because we have to make her food. Vegan burger. Vegan burger. So Betty finally arrived.
Hello guys, welcome back. I'm not disappeared. I was just working
Oh,
hard.
you're singing a song? Hello guys.
I've been working hard for maintaining his passion. Beh, bring him some prosecco.
She's brought me champagne.
A little champagne for him and for me.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So now I'm going to cook Betty's tofu and spinach burger. She could have had my beef, but she don't want it, so she's on a diet.
Probably if he was waiting for me, she would have tried.
Yeah,
Well,
but
he
no.
made already.
If you want me to make for you, I'll make for you. But if you want to try mine, no. I
Yeah.
don't share.
Yeah, they went for a shit, and what happened is like for don't leave trees.
Oh, look at that.
It gives fire to the ash paper, and actually it burned all the forest. So, if you have a shit, don't burn your paper for don't leave trees, please.
Look at that. Fresh and hard. It looks pretty nice, huh?
Oh, the twist upside down the bread, this one, or put inside the barn.
What are you on about?
Well, put inside the barn part.
What does that mean?
The outside, put inside, because then you're gonna toast also the outside.
What, turn the bread?
Yeah.
No.
Why not?
No.
See, turn the bread. This can be done, not the other one. But this, yeah, that is white. Ah.
It's so ridiculous.
Do it upside down now.
Already?
See, it's burning.
It's burning?
See, I know it. It is.
Oh, it is.
What do you think? I cook
Go on then, right, get your plate. You want to put on there?
See, why not? Well, I don't have any place, so it's fine here.
Yeah.
It's been leaking muddy.
It's hot, no? How is it?
Very good, chef. Lovely. Thank you. Good morning.
Thanks for watching.
Cheers.
Cheers.